Refer to section 12 of the construction guide. In this video we are going to install the adjustable mattress strap onto bed frame. A fully adjustable nylon mattress strap is included with your hardware kit. The strap will be used to hold down the mattress when the bed is closed. There are various ways of attaching the ends of the mattress strap to the bed frame. A quick and economical way of doing this is to use a couple metal brackets, which you can buy from most hardware stores such as Home Depot or Lowe's for less than a couple of dollars. Most of the time they will be in the hardware aisle. You can use 1 1/4 inch wood screws to attach the metal brackets to the bed frame. The mattress strap includes a quick release clip which makes it very easy to set up and is also fully adjustable. Although we recommend installing the mattress strap about 20 inches from the footer end of the bed frame, you may choose to change this measurement plus or minus a few inches. Fold the end of the mattress strap and place it on the pencil mark. Place the metal bracket on the folded end of the mattress strap. Then drive 3 to 4 screws through the holes on the metal bracket to secure it to the bed frame sides. Make sure you are driving to screws into the solid wood under the mattress supports. Repeat the same process to attach the other end of the mattress strap to the bed frame.